Every equation I write is a doorway. Tonight, I'm leaving Earth to visit a place where imagination itself shapes the laws of geophysics.
Out here, ideas become visible.
Welcome to the planet of imagination, where gravity paints valleys and sound
A basin of low-density rock, and the math responds.
A simple formula reveals a gravity low, a quiet whisper of the subsurface. Now a buried body, heavier, deeper. The signal flips, the anomaly rises. The Earth reveals its secrets through the same mathematics. And back on Earth, these same curves guide our instruments. What we imagine becomes measurable. What we measure began as imagination.
This is Dr. Mo, where physics meets imagination.